Award for this school year 2023 to 2024. Let me read to you the text. Mother Goose Play School and Grade School Pasig Exemplary Deportment Award is given to the name of a student for his or her Christian behavior befitting a true Mother Goose student during the school year 2023 to 2024. Given this 27th day of April 2024, signed, Gloria Samson Beltran, MA, Director. Grade 2, Gwen Juliana F. Galang and Alaric Gabriel G.U. Let me repeat, Alaric Gabriel G.U. Grade 3, Misha Sophia Claire S. Barawet. Grade 4, Gavin Richard F. Galang and RJ Danielle D. Avalos. Grade 5, Joaquin Antonio D. Eustaquio. And we also have Angela Victoria A. Chuo. And for grade 6, we have John Andre D. Coronel.